Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Shiba Inu token. Very congratulations to all Shiba holders because you know what? In a previous time, I mean today also, Shiba Inu is in the huge pump, guys. And personally, I love Shiba Inu right now situation because, as you know, 600 plus Shiba Inu price becomes positive, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Shiba Inu will continue this pump. So guys, now this time you can see the price prediction of Shiba Inu. That is in this video I'm talking about 2023 price of Shiba Inu. What is the expectation price of Shiba Inu in 2023? Sorry. So let me show you guys now on the basis of this article. You can see here Shiba Inu price prediction 2023 Shiba crypto forecast up to $0.000353 USD dollar, guys. Now guys, you can see here that is the price prediction of Shiba Inu in 2023. If you want to read it, so stop the video and just read. But in this video I'm just simply shortly describe the price of Shiba Inu. You can see here the January price of Shiba Inu expectation. That's just expectation, guys. We can't see about the future. Maybe the price become high from this, and maybe the price become low from this, guys. So you can see the January price, minimum and average price. That is the average price. So now that is the average price of Shiba Inu, 0.002181 USD dollar. That is the January price of Shiba Inu. And here furthermore you can see here February, March, April, May. That is this price predicated by Shiba Inu team and also by the expert of crypto, guys, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of previous 1 year changes, guys. So guys, what you think about Shiba Inu? Also share on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.